Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So in this video we're gonna start tearing apart the wheels, remove all the wheels, start tearing apart the suspension, the brakes, steering linkages in front. You just get all that removed and cleaned up and see what needs to be replaced, what doesn't need to be replaced. And maybe continue removing the wire and harness in the engine bay. That's pretty tedious. And in the end of the video, I got some news for what we're doing with the power plant, with the engine, with the transmission. Yeah, so stick around. Some of you may be happy, some of you may be pretty upset about it. So, but either way, let me know what you guys think and stick around to the end. Alright, so these are the wheels. I think they're pretty neat. Fenton wheels. I've done some research on them. Looks like they weren't the best wheels just to keep around. There's a possibility of them breaking, I guess. But I figured they survived this long, so they should probably be fine. Just clean them up. They're two-piece wheels, or supposedly they are. They're aluminum on the outside. It's kind of hard to tell, but steel on the inside. And yeah, we'll figure out how they bolt up. But other than that, here's something pretty cool. The original little safety anti-theft device. So I gotta figure out how to remove that. But I do have a key in here. It's lying around on the floor. So maybe this is the one. Maybe that's what I need. Briggs and Stratton key. Let's give this a shot. It does. It fits in there. Woohoo! Look at that. Ain't that neat? So I guess when the key goes in all the way, let me see if I can remove this. When the key goes in all the way, it opens up these little guys. Presses them down. And that just holds this little fake nut on there. And so when it's in there, slides in, remove the key, it's now locked. When you open it up, you're able to slide it out and take off the nut. So I thought that was pretty neat. So yeah, I think I've got a few of them, so maybe I'll have enough to reuse them. But yeah, we'll try to get this wheel off. So they are in fact two-piece wheels. You can tell that's aluminum and that's steel. So how exactly they put them together, I'm not sure, because that looks like it's welded. And how they welded those two together, I have no idea. So they must have formed it somehow where there's a piece of steel in there that they welded it to. But either way, yeah, pretty neat. I guess I could see why they had possibilities of breaking with it's not really being solid. So we'll see. Well, we'll keep going. Alright, so next, I actually got to remove this little cap. Get all the crap off of it first. This little dust bearing dust cap or whatever they're called. Remove that guy and we should have a nut inside of there to take off the bearing that's in here and this drum. So I think you just I don't think I found the right one. Just gonna be well, I don't know if 27 is the right one or not, but it fits. That's all I got, so that's what we're gonna work with. Well, that was easy. Sweet. I think I should. There's a bearing. It should just pop out now. I'm surprised how well this is coming apart with how long it's sat. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a disc brake conversion here in the front later down the road. Before we get it fully operational. But still pretty neat how well this held together. Alright, so next you gotta remove the tie rod. I already removed the little cotter pin that goes there. Alright, so we got down to the spindle. Just gotta remove the cotter pin there. I guess there too. Take these two off, and that should free up the spindle. Alright, so next we got to take off this upper control arm. To do that, probably going to just unbolt the top shock, or the top of the shock, and then unbolt the control arm from the frame, and then do the same to the bottom. Pull the spring, and yeah, let's see how this goes. So we'll get this shock. Well, there's that. Yeah, I'm fine. Just a spring fell. Alright, so that was pretty sketch. Yeah, the spring just came flying out. Didn't think about it, unbolted the top of the shock, and obviously still had a little bit of tension on the spring. plus the weight of the spring, and that all came crashing down. So yeah, that was fun. But either way, next we.
How it's gonna be happy.
All right, you can try.
It's a little bit heavy for me. I can kind of hold it.
Yeah, good job. Oh! That almost hit your foot, man.
Yeah. I just got a little bit further so it doesn't hit my foot.
Yeah, you got to be careful. All right.
What's this doing here?
I don't know. So it's a little dark outside, so sadly the quality's going to be a little poorer. Alright, now that that's out, should be able to pop it right now. There it goes. So there's your
Good for you.
upper control arm.
Why are you trying to pick this up?
Okay, just be careful.
Oh, I can actually hold it.
Yeah, good job. Careful. There you go. Alright, this thing finally came out. Lower control arm. Looks like it still has the original shock on there. Yeah. That was fun. And so here they are. These are lower control arms, both front, passenger and driver side. Upper control arms, passenger and driver side. Here's the spindles. There's the springs in the ground, and we'll be doing a what's it called? A conversion from drum brakes to disc brakes. So that I got rid of all the old drum brake crap. So yeah, now it's time to clean all this up.
And the lights are out, stumbling the door. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life is lemons, just remember.
Alright, so here's how it started out. And look at that. Sheesh. That's looking pretty dang good if you ask me. Yep. And now to do them all. It's gonna be fun. Alright, so there it is. I think it turned out pretty dang good. There's one of the spindles got started on the upper control arm. Cleaned it up. It used to look like that, so that came a long way, if you ask me. Got another spindle. Yeah, got a bunch of cleaning up to do. But that'll be it for this video. Yeah. Alright, so the news I got is it's gonna cost way too much to rebuild the engine. So I did something. It's gonna be cheaper, but a lot of you guys are gonna hate me. But either way, I bought an old truck, an old GMC. It's got the 5.3 in there. Still runs. It's wrecked in the back, but it still runs. It was $1,500 for the whole thing, new transmission and everything. So that's the current plan. We're gonna LS swap it. And this, I don't know what we're gonna do with this yet. Maybe we'll sell it. Maybe one of you guys wants it. I don't know. But I called a machine shop and I found out it's gonna be basically, to get it fully up and running, it's gonna cost me close to 4 or 5 grand to be complete. And I don't have that kind of money. So yeah. But either way, that'll be it. So thanks. See you guys next time.